Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So there are some multiple new updates available on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So starting off with the first one, for that you have to go to your settings and select software update, then you have to click on download and install. From here you will get to see this new update of November 1st 2024 security patch talking about what's new. So it brings in some new changes to the auto blocker and it includes some device stability improvements and new or enhanced features. To install this update, you will have to first download this update, and after the download, you just have to simply click on install now to install this update. So check out this update if you guys are missing this out. Moving on to the next update, for that you have to go to your about phone, then software information, then you have to click on Google Play System Update. So the previous update was of October 1st 2024, and now we have the latest November update available for the Google Play System Update. This includes some latest security updates from the Google, and you can update it for some safe and improve device stability. It is 73 MB in size. You just have to simply click on download, and until the download is completed, I would like to tell you about some other updates that are available in the Galaxy Store app. After going into your Galaxy Store, you will have to click on this menu option, and now you have to click on updates. And after clicking on updates, you will get to see that there are some new updates available for multiple apps like voice recorder. Then you have this new update of gaming hub, Samsung Notes, secure folder, and some other apps are also available for update. Also there are some new updates available for the language pack, so to update them all at once you will have to click on this update all option, and all of these apps will be updated at once. Also, if you want to get to see an early access to these clock widgets and this new clock icon of the One UI 7 app, and you do not have access to the One UI 7 beta version, so you can do this by simply visiting the link mentioned in the description. By following that process, you will get to see these new widgets and the new clock app. And once the Google Play System update is downloaded, you will have to click on restart now, but make sure to restart your device when your device is completely free, as you will be unable to use your device during the installation process. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some of the new updates that are available on my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra that you guys might be missing out, so do check out these updates. Also, do let me know in the comment section that have you got these updates on your device or not yet, and if you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates.